It was very big journey for me, I would say, for the last 6 to 8 months. I had been preparing for my GRE TOEFL. I was thinking to do a master's in the US, but there was no pushing factor for me as such. But finally, I decided to give it a try. So I gave my GRE TOEFL with very good scores, and I started applying for universities. Obviously, I reached out to you for guidance, and you guided me very well in filling up my applications. Also helped me with all the processes that had been going on for the universities. Followed by the entire education loan thing, which was a big fiasco for me. But then it got sorted out at the end. Everything went fine. Yes, there were a lot of hurdles that I faced, right from giving the exams to filling out so many applications to getting a lot of rejections, but also very good offers from one few top universities. And finally, I decided to go ahead with Arizona State University, which has a very good master's in computer science course that I would be joining in fall 2024. Also, very grateful for all the visa mock interviews that really helped me crack my visa also, and that was a final step to landing to the US for me. So I would say a very long journey indeed. Yes, a lot of pain points, but a lot of exciting things also happened along the way. I got to learn so many things, and I think I'm finally prepared to land in a new country and live a new life that I am dreaming forward to. I think online counseling was very comfortable for me because, firstly, I'm a working professional. I'm currently working. So, flexible timings during the online counseling was a big plus point for me. I have shifts until 9 p.m. So, after 9 p.m. or 8 p.m., I would connect with filling out the applications. Also, everything happened online. So, if any doubts or anything, I would just reach out to you over a call and you guys would just be a call away. So, I would say flexibility wise, it was very good. Whenever I reached out to you, if you were available. So, even that factor was very good. Also, whenever there were any queries, small doubts, any silly doubts that I would have, I would just give a message or WhatsApp or just call you out and you would be there. Pratiksha, you have to calm down. This is how it happens. This is how it always is. And we'll figure a way out. So I think it was good. Also, main pushing factor for me would be you having faith in me that I would be able to do it and I'd be able to figure it out. So that really helped as well. So firstly, I'm currently working as a software engineer at JP Morgan Chase and Co. And I have 3 years of work experience. Finally, I decided I need to switch to a senior position. I need to do a specialization in computer science that I'm fond of. And I also found my interest while being in this organization in cloud computing. So I decided to go ahead with a plan of master's in computer science through Arizona State University. I would say counseling is important for every student. This is the first time that they're doing it in their life. And it's always good to have a good guided mentor who already has the experience of how things work in this field and how to make things work in case you face so many hurdles like I did. So I think for me personally, counseling did really help a lot. All the efforts, all the money that I put into this counseling, every bit of it was worth. You were accessible every time I had a query. And whenever I fell back, I knew I had someone to lift me up. I knew I had someone to push me towards my goals. So yeah, all the unique combination of expertise, your patience, your genuine care for my development, just deep understanding of this entire field from your end did really help me with the entire process. Initially, when I started with the visa, entire process of the visa, I wasn't aware of how the process actually works. So filling out DS 160 and filling out all the other forms that came in with the visa process, I wasn't aware of it. You guys really helped a lot with that process. I wouldn't have been able to do it alone. Further coming to the mock interviews, so I was pretty confident that I would be able to crack a visa interview. But after scheduling the first mock, I realized I need to prepare a bit more. I need to be a little bit more smooth with my answers. I need to put out my selling points out there, which you emphasized on quite a lot of times. So after second or third mock interview, I think I was felt confident enough to go for an actual interview, and I knew I would get through the process. So that really helped it act as a catalyst for my entire process. I think visa is the last stepping stone to the door to the US. So it is very important. First thing, I think after my third mock interview with you, I was pretty confident that I would be able to go get through the visa process no matter what I had prepared for every question or everything that they would ask me out there. Also, given back that I had faced a lot of issues in loans and my financial background and everything, you just helped me put my plus points forward. That made me really confident that I would be able to get through. So yeah, there was no fear when I went for the interview. I was pretty much confident and I answered very well also. So yeah, big cheers to the entire mock interview process that we went through. I would say online counseling was a very plus for me. Firstly, starting with my flexible timings. Obviously, I would even reach out to you at 12 a.m. in the night saying, Richard sir, this is what I'm facing, and I would still get a reply instantly back from you guys, even after a very hectic work day. So that was a big plus. Personal touch, you are always a call away. Even if I had some queries, I would give you a call, Richard sir, this is what is happening. What do I do next? And I would just get an instant reply Pratiksha, this is what you need to do. You also connected me with a lot of consultants who did help me with the loan process as well. There were times when my parents had a lot of doubts, so I had even scheduled 2 or 3 times, I think, Zoom calls with you. So you even convinced my parents and helped them also step in with me with the entire process of going to the US. So I don't think there was any drawback that I faced or that I felt that you were not available or approachable or nothing. I always felt that you were just a call away, just a message away, helped me with balancing my work life and also my dream to going to the US. So I would give it a big thumbs up from my end. So for the next 2 years, obviously, get my master's done from Arizona State University with a very good grade and a very good internship also. Maybe 2 years later, I would join back in India or just continue my software engineering program in the US with my current company. So that are for the plans for the next 2 years and explore US because this is the first international destination that I would be traveling to. So obviously, I want to explore US also. Meanwhile, thank you.